Well, everybody, it's the weekend and I have some great news. TSO Products has authorized me to give you guys a 15% promo code off of their guide rail squares. Now, those guide rail squares, if you're not familiar with them, they just hook right into your existing guide rail, and there are a few different models. I'm going to give you all those different models and tell you which ones are compatible. So the way these work is they slide right into your Festool, Makita, or Triton guide rail. I'm also going to give you a code for the one that hooks up to the Craig system as well. So you just take it in like this. You have this little toggle. They hook right in there. This is protected with some kind of a rubberized coating, and that'll protect your guide rail from damage. You put it right inside the part of the guide rail like that. You pop the spring clamp down just like this, and there you have an instant 90 degrees ready to cut. You put it up against your workpiece. You can clamp it in place if you want, and you make your perfect 90-degree cross cuts. Now, to get the promo code, what you're going to have to do is look in the description box below, and I'm going to have affiliate links to each one of those separate guide rail squares. This model here is for the Festool guide rails, Makita guide rails, and Triton guide rails. This is the GRS-16 PE model. So I'm going to put a link to this one. I'm going to also put a link to their other squares that's be qualified in this promotion. That's going to be the GRS-16 PE with a K at the end. That's going to be for the Craig system, and also the older guide rail square that just has the one triangulated piece on the end, which is the GRS-16. Those three guide rail squares are going to be qualifying in this 15% off promotion. Now, today is March 4th, 2023. This promotion is going to run from now all day and the next few days until March 8th. So you have from March 4th, 2023 to the end of the day, March 8th, 2023 to get this promotion. So go into the link in the description box below. That's the affiliate link that's going to be provided for you with the guide rail square that you need, which is either going to be the one for the Festool rails, Makita rails, and Triton. That's all the same. Also the one for the Craig, and also the older one, which is the GRS-16. So I'm going to provide all of those for you as a breakdown, so you can click right on the one that you need and go straight to the website, and you're going to enter that promo code that I give you in that box below, which is just my last name, Scalaro, but in all capitals. All right, guys, I hope this helps. I really hope I made your weekend just a little bit better, giving you this 15% off. And thank you to TSO for providing all of my subscribers and viewers with this discount. Now, if you guys like videos like this, seeing tools in action, how they're practical, easy to use, such as the TSO guide rail squares, parallel guides, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the picture of a notification bell. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And hopefully TSO is going to give me some more promotional discounts in the future for their products, so that I can pass those savings along to you guys. Remember, you're not going to pay any more for the tools by clicking on those affiliate links. In this case, you're actually going to be paying less for the tools if you click on those affiliate links and enter that promo code. But the TSO company will share a small portion of the profits with me, and that will help support the channel and keep it growing. And I will continue to provide these videos of demonstrating the tools, and also the tons of videos that I have on building and out in the field work with moldings and trim. So if you guys like all that stuff, definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.